Now let's discuss about features of stream. So there are some pointers I have mentioned. These are very important with respect to stream. Let's discuss them one by one. So first is declarative and functional. So stream allow us to express data processing operations in a declarative manner. That means instead of writing explicit loops and manipulating data structures, we define operations on streams and let the stream API handle the underlying implementation details. Stream also promote a functional programming style where operations are applied to the data in a pipeline of transformations. Meaning, we are going to have pipeline of operations. It will be like, functions chaining, method chaining will be there in stream, and that's how the intermediate and terminal operations are performed. We will talk about what are the intermediate and terminal operations of stream and how they work, that in detail in the upcoming videos. Second is sequence of elements. So basically a stream represents a sequence of elements. We already discussed that. It can be created from the various sources like collections, arrays, or IO channels, right? Now each element in a stream can be of any Java object type, right? Third is pipeline of operations. So as I said earlier, method chaining will be done to perform our operations, right? So these operations are going to be pipelined. So chain of operations that can be applied to the element of a stream, and these operations include like filter, map, sort, reduce, and many more. These operations we are going to talk in detail in upcoming videos. We are also going to write code and execute and see the output, all of that. All right. Fourth is lazily evaluation. Now, what is the meaning of lazy evaluation? So that means stream operations are not performed until the terminal operations are executed. So basically, until unless it is required, the processing is not done. So these all intermediate operations of a stream, they are lazily evaluated. Fourth is immutable data. So stream do not modify the underlying data source, right? So it is just an abstraction layer on the collection object or the objects on which stream processing are being done. So it is not going to modify any kind of underlying data. Instead, they just produce a new stream with transformed or filtered elements, right? So whatever the operations we do, they will just perform and it will create a new stream out of that. Now this immutability ensures that the original data remains unchanged, and after processing, there is no corruption of the data, original data happens. All right. Last one is parallel processing. Now stream can be processed in a sequential as well as in parallel way. Sequential and parallel, both we are going to talk in detail in upcoming videos. Also, we are going to see their operations. So parallel stream is nothing but the original stream can be divided into smaller chunks and process them concurrently. And that helps to utilize the available computing resource optimally. Alright, so if the processor is of multi-core, accordingly, CPU creates multiple, in stream processing, multiple threads are created and they are allocated to the different cores of the CPU, and that's how the CPU utilization is optimally used in case of parallel stream. Okay, we are going to talk about how parallel stream work, what is the advantage of parallel stream over sequential stream in detail in upcoming videos.